Hi my friends, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Transcend Multi-Tool Fidget Pen. It is a 10-in-1. It has a whole bunch of things on here. It's got a stylus pen, ballpoint pen, ruler, screwdriver, flathead, Phillips head, all different kinds of things. So right out of the box, we're just going to slide this out of here, and it comes with two pens and so it's two little pins here. So let's see what the instructions has for it. We're just gonna open this up, and it's just a two-sided piece of instruction paper here, and it tells you what each and every little thing of this whole thing does. These are to replace and refill the pen parts of the pen itself. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at one of these things. They come nicely packed into this foam case here, and looks like two different sizes, a small one and a long one. Let's take this one out. And these do have different ones here. So the top part is this cool fidget spinner portion of it. And then we have the pen itself, a ruler, a level in here, a pen, it clips on. Pretty neat, honestly. This part is the ballpoint part of it itself and everything. And let's see. I wonder if we can unscrew the top here. And unscrewing it reveals the stylus portion of the pen. So we'll just go ahead and you can screw that one back on. And of course we have the other one here, which is a little different. This one does not have the fidget top portion of it. We'll unscrew the stylus part real quick. And right there we have a flathead screwdriver. And each of these pens also has markings on there to use as a ruler. This one also comes with a level. And yeah, it's overall pretty nice. Let's go ahead and unscrew the pen portion of this one. Or that one doesn't seem to come off, but this one does for the ballpoint part. But yeah, overall a really cool like Father's Day gift. If you're really fidgety and like always if you're holding your pen while you're thinking, this is a cool fidget portion of the pen. But yeah, it's really cool. It's got the ballpoint on the end here, but a sweet pen overall with some nice instructions here on what each part of the pen does. It's got a ball opener right in the middle. That's what that part was. Couldn't figure that one out. But yeah, it comes with the little injector pieces here to refill the pen portion of the fidget tool. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.